Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I just want to show you this box of the 986 box of the IMS bearing. Just finished putting everything back together now. As you can see, this is the actual car running. The lifter is a bit noisy because I haven't started the car for a long time. They're empty, so it takes a while for the lifter to actually fill up. It's more quieter now. It gets hotter and it gets more quiet. I've got some new clamps now for the exhaust. They were missing. Someone took it off and never put it back on. Water pump is not leaking. Brand new radiator is not leaking anymore, as you can see. Inside there. Marley, same as that one there. Brand new ones as well. The middle one's alright, it's not leaking, so it's alright. Yeah. Everything's running good, according to plan, so yeah. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.